Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best crack sealer is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home maintenance, but it's also one of the most important. Cracks in your driveway not only look unsightly but also allow water to seep in, leading to further damage from freeze-thaw cycles and ultimately, costly repairs. In this video, we'll dive into the world of driveway crack sealers, helping you choose the right product to protect your investment and keep your driveway looking its best. Number 5. SIKA Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant, Gray, 10.1 fluid ounces. This is a fast-curing, gray polyurethane sealant. It's designed for concrete expansion joints and is also waterproof. It fills cracks up to 1.5 inches and comes in a 10.1 fluid ounces cartridge. Apply this self-leveling concrete sealant effortlessly to expansion joints. It's perfect for various surfaces like driveways, garages, sidewalks, and pavement. It ensures an even surface. Once applied, the compound becomes tack-free within hours and fully cures in less than a week. After curing, it can be painted, sanded, or stained. This makes it very versatile. This sealant prevents water infiltration, protecting against moisture damage. Its permanent elasticity and self-leveling properties provide consistent performance. It's designed to last. It withstands harsh weather conditions without losing performance or appearance. This sealant resists aging, ensuring a high-quality result. You can rely on it. It's perfect for use on driveways, warehouses, factories, and civil structures. The narrow tip allows for easy and accurate application. This makes the job easier. What we like. This sealant is self-leveling, ensuring a smooth and even finish. It cures quickly, so you won't have to wait long to use your driveway. If you are looking for a durable, waterproof solution that's easy to apply, this is a great choice. What people say. This product levels very well and seals up completely within 24 hours. It really works great and is easy to use. The true beauty of this sealant lies in its self-leveling properties. Once applied, it flows smoothly into joints, creating a flat, even surface without the need for tooling. This feature is particularly beneficial for those new to sealant applications, as it reduces the chances of uneven lines or missed spots. Number 4. Red Devil 0637 Asphalt Crack Filler. Introducing Red Devil 0637, the perfect solution for your asphalt cracks. This product is designed to match the color and texture of asphalt surfaces, making repairs seamless. This crack filler forms a watertight seal, ensuring a durable repair. It effectively prevents water from penetrating, protecting your surfaces from further damage. The product stays flexible, resisting cracking and weathering the elements. It's built to withstand various weather conditions, providing long-lasting protection. Need to fix a crack in the rain? No problem. This filler adheres to damp surfaces, allowing you to make repairs even in wet conditions. Proudly made in the USA at our factory in Pryor, Oklahoma. You can trust the quality and durability of this product. What we like. This product provides an excellent color and texture match to asphalt surfaces. It forms a watertight seal and can even be applied in wet conditions. If you need a quick and easy fix that blends seamlessly with your existing asphalt, consider this option. What people say. It spread evenly, dried solid, and sealed every crack tighter than Spanx at Thanksgiving dinner. It cures to a tough finish that's ready for anything, meaning you won't have to worry about it washing away after the first downpour. The color is dark gray when wet but it dries flat black. Number 3. Bluestar Asphalt Crack Filler, Easy DIY Solution. Tired of unsightly cracks in your asphalt? This product offers a simple DIY solution. You won't need any special tools to get the job done, making it accessible for everyone. This is perfect for filling cracks in driveways and parking lots. It's designed to effectively seal those cracks, preventing further damage and extending the life of your asphalt. The formula is designed to remain flexible, no matter the weather. It can handle both hot and cold temperatures, ensuring a long-lasting seal. This can handle cracks up to 1 inch wide. It provides a reliable seal, protecting your asphalt from the elements and preventing further deterioration. By sealing cracks, it prevents water and other elements from penetrating the asphalt. This helps to avoid costly repairs down the road, saving you time and money. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and reliability of a product made with American craftsmanship. What we like. This crack filler is designed for easy, DIY application, requiring no special tools. It remains flexible in both hot and cold weather, preventing future damage. If you're looking for a simple, user-friendly solution for your driveway cracks, this is the one. What people say. The product filled the cracks and holes perfectly. Easy to apply if a slanted tip is cut at the end of the nozzle. It worked out great. It filled the cracks and would definitely recommend if you have some cracks that need to be filled in your driveway. Easy to apply. It did not take long to dry. Overall super happy with it. This asphalt-based liquid crack filler is so easy to apply in cracks up to 1 inch wide and 1-2 deep. I used a 3-inch plastic scraper to smooth the filler over the crack. Dries very quickly to a black smooth pliable finish. Number 2. SIKA Sikaflex 410 Asphalt Sealant. This self-leveling caulk is the perfect choice for filling cracks and gaps in asphalt driveways, pavements, walkways, and similar surfaces. It's designed to provide a seamless and durable seal. Formulated to resist weathering and aging, this sealant offers permanent elasticity. This helps prevent tearing and cracking, ensuring long-lasting performance. Once applied, the skin time is typically less than 60 minutes under moderate conditions. This means you can quickly seal cracks and get back to your projects. The sealant comes ready for use in handy cartridges that fit most standard caulk guns. No mixing is required, making the application process easy and efficient. This product is designed to fill cracks up to 1.5 inches wide. It's ideal for various asphalt surfaces, providing a reliable and effective seal. What we like. This sealant is specifically designed for asphalt surfaces, providing a durable and long-lasting repair. It's fast-acting, with a quick skin time, saving you time and effort. If you have an asphalt driveway and need a reliable, quick-drying sealant, you should consider this. What people say. Once cured, if you push on it, it acts just like rubber. It adheres like rubber. When a crack was properly cleaned out, it lasted. Number 1. Fabbay Asphalt Crack Filler Tape. This package includes 2 rolls of asphalt crack tape. Each roll is 50 feet long and 2 inches wide, providing ample material for your repair needs. Made from high-quality asphalt, this tape is safe, waterproof, and sun-resistant. It's designed to withstand high temperatures without melting and offers high tensile strength, ensuring it can be bent to fit various cracks. Using the tape is simple. Clean the crack, peel off the backing, and apply the tape. Press firmly to ensure it adheres properly. Its flexibility allows it to conform to most cracks, providing a complete seal. Remember to apply it when the temperature is below 30 degrees. The self-adhesive design means no heating is required, saving you time and effort. It sticks firmly and is designed not to fall off easily. Store the rolls separately to prevent them from sticking together. This tape is perfect for repairing cracks on expressways, highways, sidewalks, and roads. It's suitable for both cement and asphalt surfaces, making it a versatile solution for various pavement types. What we like. This product is incredibly easy to use with its self-adhesive design. It's widely applicable, suitable for various surfaces. If you want a simple, no-fuss solution for crack repair, this tape is a great choice. What people say. This worked great to fill and seal cracks in my driveway before sealing. Great product. Love the melt and fill and how easy to use. This product works as it should. Goes on easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.